What is going on with Facebook or Facebook stock? So today it dropped from 160 to 150, a good 5-6%, because the FTC is investigating Facebook privacy practices. Basically, Facebook gave away personal information about their users to Cambridge Analytica that used that information to help Trump win the elections. So let's see what this reporter has to say on CNBC.
Confirming that it does have an open, non-public investigation into Facebook's privacy practices. The FTC issued a statement from Tom Paul, who's the acting director of the agency's Bureau of Consumer Protection. He said that the FTC is committed to using all of its tools to protect the privacy of consumers, and foremost among those tools is enforcement action against companies that fail to honor their privacy promises and companies that engage in unfair acts that cause substantial injury to consumers and violate the FTC guidelines. So again, the FTC confirming that it does have an open, non-public investigation.
So what does that mean for the stock? So obviously, as you can see, it dropped pretty hard. Is it a buying opportunity? I definitely see it as a buying opportunity. I mean, Facebook isn't going to go anywhere. It's still a profitable operation. Everyone's on Facebook and it's just growing, and they're making a lot of money through ads. I mean, people who use Shopify use Facebook. People who sell on Amazon use Facebook. So Facebook operations isn't going anywhere. This is just a small bump in the road, but for investors that didn't buy into Facebook, that would be a great buying opportunity. Now, what is the lowest that it's going to reach? You can see that the 52-week low is 137 and the 52-week high is 195. If we look at the charts, let's look at 1 year. It's almost a straight line. If we look at 5 years, it is a straight line. And if we look at since inception, it dropped a little bit at the beginning, but since then it's been going up. So this drop that we're having right now isn't going to affect the stock long term, but it's a great buying opportunity for those who haven't bought into Facebook. Maybe it'll drop some more, maybe not. In my opinion, it's going to be affected a little bit by the news, but at the end, nothing's going to happen to Facebook. It might pay a fine or something, but it's not like their operations are going to stop. Or although some celebrities have stopped using Facebook, they've deleted their accounts. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, brought down his Tesla Facebook page, which had over a million followers. So I would say maybe 140, 145, I would see it as a good price, and then just hold on to it long term. Even if it continues to drop after that, eventually it's going to go back up, maybe 6 months, 1 year. If you hold on to it even longer, I think it's going to be another Google stock or Amazon stock. It's going to reach the 1,000 eventually. So yeah, so if we look at the operations, there's nothing to worry about. This is just a small hiccup which causes a buying opportunity for investors. And you'll notice it's always the same story with many companies. In the long term, they go up. But while during that long-term period, there's always small hiccups in the road. It just causes for buying opportunities. So last Friday, I bought Walmart at 86. If you look at my Questrade account, I bought 9 shares of Walmart at 86. Today it's trading a little bit higher. Friday, all the stocks were down, and today they're all back up. Now, who knows if we're going into a market crash or if it's just a market correction. In my opinion, though, we should prepare for both scenarios. So if it's a market correction, you want to participate in the market correction. You want to buy at these discount prices so that when it goes up, you sell. But at the same time, if it's gonna crash even more, you don't want to put everything right now. You don't want to buy everything right now, and then the stock crashes and you can't buy some more. So I would suggest not to buy everything right now. So participate right now and make sure you have enough liquidity to participate in case it crashes. If it doesn't crash, well, at least you participated a bit right now. You didn't participate at 100%, but at least you participated. But you're just protecting yourself in case it crashes. You're giving yourself a chance to buy some more in case it crashes. Now, it's not going to crash as bad as 2008, so you can at least use the low prices of 2008 as a borderline. So here's what Warren Buffett says to do when the market tanks. This is interesting. A plunge in US stocks on Monday, February 5th, cost the world's 500 richest people $114 billion. So it affected their portfolio by $114 billion. Yet they didn't panic. They continued running their operations. for so I can buy some Walmart shares that I bought at 8.86. My Ford options are going down a little bit, but still profitable. My mutual fund of Dividend 15 Split Corp is at 644. I bought it at 669, but eventually it's going to go back up, and this one pays really good dividends, almost 15% per year. If you look at my TFSA, Ford shares are at 1076. I bought at 1091, $35 loss. Exxon Mobil, I bought at 75, trading at 73, $20 loss. So on Questrade, if you want to see where your dividends are going, or if you've used my referral code and want to see where your referral bonus is, you're gonna have to go to on this trading here. You're gonna click on accounts, and then you go under reports, account activity, and then you choose your account, and you could see the trades, the fees and rebates, the withdrawals, the deposits, and that's where you're gonna see your dividends and your referral bonuses. If you go to my Investors Edge account, my RESP, I've got Enbridge that's killing me. Let's look at the intraday changes. So 62 shares of Enbridge at 38.54 that I bought at about 47, but I'm collecting dividends. Let's look at all the dividends I got from just these 63 shares. If you look at the last 6 months, so I got $41 and $31 of dividends just from holding this stock, and by putting $3,000. Sorry. My Canadian TFSA, I've got Cenovus Energy that's trading at 1036. I bought at 15. Enbridge that I bought also at about 45. I got 95 shares. It's trading at 38.55 right now, and HBC that's killing me at 8.55 that I bought at 13.50, and collecting dividends, of course, from all three. General Electric that dropped below 13 that I bought at 17, just perfect. Kraft Heinz that I bought at 75, trading at 60. That would be another buying opportunity if I had more liquidity. Just got some dividends today from Kraft Heinz. So I've got how much? I've got book value. I've got 2,600 in Kraft Heinz, and I got some dividends today. I believe of 22 minus 3 of about $18, $19 US. Facebook dropped to 149 right now. So I'd probably place an order at 145, but then I'd be afraid to miss out on it because it could continue to go back up. See, I'm not sure. But it's still being investigated. People are worried. We still want to see the results of the investigation. So I think it's going to drop a bit more. Maybe 147.50. I could probably put an order at 147.50. Even if I buy at 149, it's still a good price. But I try to be as close as possible to the lowest price. Obviously, you can't be super exact, but I make up for my estimation or my guessing by just adding or removing a few dollars to my order, giving myself a margin of error. Tesla is another good buying opportunity. Well, personally, I wouldn't buy it, but if you like Tesla, it dropped hard today. It's at $293. I wouldn't buy it because I think it's already super expensive, but it's a great product, great car. If you look at 6 months, it's at the lowest point in 6 months. 1 year, it's close to the 52-week low of 259. 1 year target is 325. Doesn't pay dividends. So if you're a fan of Tesla, you can look into it. Walmart, of course. Procter and Gamble. JCPenney went down. I'm not sure about JCPenney because it's in the US. General Electric is going down. Coca Cola, 42.40. Now, Coca Cola obviously is a great stock to buy. Pays 3.65% dividends, even a bit more. If it drops to 40, I'm definitely buying Coca Cola shares. Enbridge is a great buying opportunity right now. Great dividends and super discounted. Ford and Exxon Mobil are other great buying opportunities. Now, I'm curious to know what's going on with Kraft Heinz. Why is it dropping so bad? So if you go on the company's website and look at the news, last posting was March 21st. So obviously for sure more has happened since, but it's not giving out any important information. Trying to see what would make the stock drop. See, Kraft Heinz announces retirement of Warren Buffett from board of directors. Okay, but wouldn't explain the constant drop. I would say the only thing I see here that's considered bad is the fact that they're removing the retirement of Warren Buffett from board of directors. So still a great buying opportunity, pays good dividends. So if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you can open an account with Questrade, use my referral codes. We can both get between $25 and $250 depending on your initial investment. If you enjoy my videos, watch my other videos, like my videos, and share with your friends. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Let's look at Facebook one more time. What's it trading at? 151. It's going back up a bit. Alright, thanks for watching.